In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ProgressBar Monday.com. If you want a simple way to track how far a task or project has moved along inside your board, adding a progress bar column is a great option. It gives you a quick visual update, so instead of reading through multiple details, you can instantly see progress at a glance. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add that column to your board in Monday.com. To get started, open the board where you want the progress bar to appear. Once you're inside the board, look all the way to the far right side of your existing columns. You'll see a plus icon there. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This is the area Monday.com uses for adding new columns. So whenever you want to expand the way your board tracks information, this is usually where you'll begin. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear with different options for column types. From that menu, click on More Columns. This takes you to the full list of available columns, which is helpful because not every option appears in the smaller Quick Add menu. If you're not seeing the exact feature you want right away, this is the best place to find it. Once you're in the columns list, move to the search bar and type in the word Progress. Searching makes the process much faster, especially if your workspace has many available column options. As you type, Monday.com will narrow down the results and show the matching column related to progress tracking. When you see the progress option appear, click on Add Board. This will add the progress bar column directly to your current board, making it available for your tasks and items right away. After it's added, you can begin using it as part of your workflow to visually monitor completion and keep your board that easier to read. A quick tip here: placing a progress bar on your board can be especially useful when you're managing multiple tasks at once, because visual indicators help you spot what's moving forward and what may need attention. It's a simple addition, but it can make your board feel much more organized and easier to scan. And that's it. That's how to use the progress bar in Monday.com by adding it to your board. Once you know where to find it, the setup only takes a moment, and it can make tracking progress much clearer in your day-to-day work.